Welcome back to my channel. Today we will make an easy pillow cover for a pillow insert. The pillow insert can be purchased from Joann's, where you can select from an individual, double, or a pack of more than 2 depending upon what you're making the pillow covers for. You can accent your bed, chair, or any area of your home. You will need a threaded sewing machine, ironing board or pad, fabric size 40 inches long by 16 inches wide to fit size 16 by 16 pillow insert, 16 inch by 16 inch pillow insert, fabric clips or pins, marking pen or pencil, scissors, tape measure. We will measure and cut the pillow cover size 40 inches long by 16 inches wide, but the size is up to you. I've already cut mine to save time. Fold 2 sides once, about a 1/4 inch, then fold over again and press as shown. Stitch the same 2 sides separately. Then open flat with the right side facing upwards and fold one side over the other, but keeping your pillow insert measurement in mind so it can fit inside the pillow cover. Pin in place. Then turn over part of the top to see where the seam is on the other side to mark with a pin on top so you'll know where to backstitch as shown here. Clip or pin the 2 remaining sides that have not been stitched, then stitch the 2 sides. I recommend reinforcing both openings by backstitching so when placing the pillow insert inside, the seam will not stretch and come apart. Remember to clip all loose threads. Turn the pillow cover inside out with the right side on the outside and use something that doesn't have a sharp point to punch out all 4 corners. Then place your pillow insert inside. Repeat these steps for additional pillow covers.